If you do that first, then you can carry on with this video. Hi guys, thanks for dropping in. I'm Rick, welcome to the channel. Basically in this little clip I'm going to be giving a brief overview, almost a kind of review on the KTM Power Part skid plate for the 2021 Super Venture S, and also a fitting guide, so to speak. So yeah, check it out. Cheers. Right, first get the old skid plate off, well, the plastic excuse of a skid plate. 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolt, 4 bolts, 5 bolts, and there's another one that side off. And I believe we need to transfer the old bits and pieces over to the new one. We've got a few extra new bits, but we need to take these and put them on this. Right, I've transferred all these bits over from the old plastic skid plate, but now I've got this extra piece here. So we've got these parts that come with the skid plate, so I believe that goes in there, and those two go in there, etc. This one here. Okay, my opinion on it, basically it's about 3mm, 2.5mm thick aluminium. It seems sturdy enough, but it's not rock solid. You can see it does flex, so it's a little bit further up the line from decorative in my opinion. Probably in hindsight wouldn't have bought it if I'd have known. So I'll see how it goes, and then I'll see what aftermarket ones come out, but it looks nice. It'll save the sump from getting hit by stones, I guess. And after all, it's a Super Adventure S. It won't be doing any really gnarly stuff, but anyway, it does flex. I don't know if you can see that. I couldn't do that on my Tiger 800 one because that was rock solid. This isn't, or hasn't got the same kind of build quality, but it's pretty. Anyway, in a nutshell, once you get it, you transfer everything from your plastic skid plate. But yeah, transfer everything from the old skid plate into this skid plate. The only thing you get extra are these two rubber bungs and metal washers. I don't know what you call them, but they slot through. They match the other ones, and what goes there is this part. Yeah, now this part attaches to that. But you'll have to put this part on the bike first, because once you've got the bash plate on, you'll find it hard to line up the hole with the bolt hole on the bike. Now I'll show you the hole that that's supposed to go to. I don't know if you can see that, but there. I've got a temporary bolt because I had a bolt missing in my pack. I'm still waiting for the original KTM one to turn up, but that is where that gets attached to. Right, so attach that first. Right, that's the bash plate on. Now it's to stick the other bits and bobs back on. Right, all in all, that probably took about 20 minutes, so no big deal. Just hopefully you get all the parts in the pack. I'm missing a screw, so a collar screw, so yeah, I'm still gonna have to work on mine when that comes through the post, but you get the idea, and also get the idea of the quality. Would I buy one again? Given the amount of money it costs, probably not. I'd rather invest in something that's a bit more robust, but it does the job if you're just going to keep it on gravel, compacted, dry mud or tarmac. Any of the green lanes I've done before on my other bikes, no chance, no chance. I'd need to change this, but if you got it, it's okay, but I'll probably be changing mine at some point. So it does look quite nice, but is it functional? Depends what the function is. So there you have it, the KTM Power Parts skid plate for the 2021 KTM Super Adventure S. It's pretty, looks nice, easy to fit. It'll stand up to basic stones flying up from underneath the front wheel, but that's pretty much about it really. It's more decorative than functional in my opinion, but if you want to go and spend 270, I don't know, I think they're about 270 quid. Don't hold me to that, I can't remember, it's been a while since I bought the bike, but would I buy one of those for that price? Probably not.